If you want to improve your English, watch this story till the end. This story will help improve your spoken English confidence while teaching you a powerful life lesson. The Unopened Letter. Emma was cleaning her grandmother's old house. The house was silent. Dust covered every room. She found an old wooden box. Inside was a single letter. The envelope was yellow. It looked very old. Her name was written on it. Emma had never seen it before. Her grandmother had died 5 years ago. Who wrote it? Why was it hidden? She slowly opened the letter. Her hand shook. It began. Dear Emma. If you are reading this, I am gone. There is something you must know. Never go to the old cabin in the forest. Someone is waiting there. Do not trust the voice that calls your name. Emma looked outside. The forest stood behind the house. Dark. Still. Silent. Then she heard it. Emma. A soft whisper. She froze. Again. Emma, come here. Her heart beat faster. She wanted to stay inside. But curiosity won. She walked into the forest. The air felt cold. The trees blocked the sunlight. Soon she reached the old cabin. The door was already open. She stepped inside. The room was empty. Only one chair stood in the center. On the chair was another letter. It had today's date. Emma slowly opened it. Only 7 words were written inside. You should have stopped after the first letter. Suddenly, the door slammed shut. Someone laughed behind her. Emma turned around. Nobody was there. Then she heard footsteps. Slow. Heavy. Closer. Closer. The windows would not open. The door would not move. The footsteps stopped. Everything became silent. A freezing hand touched her shoulder. Emma screamed. The next morning, the cabin was empty. Only 2 unopened letters remained. One had Emma's name. The other had yours. Sometimes, curiosity can open doors that should always stay closed. Did this ending surprise you? Subscribe for more mystery stories to improve your English with suspense, easy vocabulary, and exciting twists.